Guys, back to Riyan TV, and today I am in here Sagar near this Joy Sagar. So today in this Joy Sagar also we will do one workout. Particularly today's workout is very simple, very easy, particularly for the beginners who want to go for this fitness industry, fitness lifestyle for them. Particularly they have to do this kind of small exercises first, so that in long run they can go to the gym or can try something else. So let's start with a very simple basic exercise for you all. You can done it anywhere, any place. So it's very easy, it's very effective also. But remember, this is just for the beginners. So today so here's Mr. Biju. He will perform these exercises for you all. So keep watching these exercises and it will be very helpful to you all. So keep watching. So we will start with very simple exercises. So this exercise will be just jumping for this increase of the heart rate. So just take this jump, that is easy version. Then the next exercise will be a squat. It will be a squat. So first we will show you the easiest version. So you need particularly one tool for that. So we are using here this bench. So you can use one tool. So he will show you the easy version of the squat. You have to do this exercise because it will increase your heart rate very fast. So start, Biju. 1. Okay, done. Then we will come to the next exercises. It will be push-up. But first of all, we will show you the easiest version. That is, anybody can do it. So just look at him, the position, how he is lying. Just look once. So he will do the push-up. Just follow him. 1. Finish this push-up. So now we are going for the last exercises, and it will be the jumping jack, and it will be the easiest version, so that you can do it nicely. So keep watching, Biju. So these are the 4 exercises you have seen. So the workout plan is like that. You have to do one exercises 10 times. Then you start the next exercise, then you start the next exercise, then you complete the 4 exercises at non-stop. After completing the 4 exercises, you take 1 minute rest, then again you start. So first of all, it will be difficult for you. So if you cannot manage to do this 10 repetition of per exercises, you can do like 5 repetition. Like 5 you have done with this jumping one, then you go for this jumping jack 5, then push up 5. After gradually you will get the strength, then you can increase. But at least you start your workout, you start your this fitness lifestyle from today onwards. Because these exercises you don't need to go for the gym. So it is a very easy one. So it doesn't matter that you are very obese or you are very thin. You can start your fitness journey from this video onwards. So we will show you exactly the workout, because we have shown you that is part by part. So we will show you the whole workout. So this will be very good for you. So just watch this video.